Hey guys, good afternoon. Today I'm going to solve some problems related to menstrual cycle. This is a collection of questions which comes in NEET, AIMS and JIPMER. Okay, so let's start. So first question is find out the incorrect statement. Incorrect statement which we have to find the incorrect statement from the given statement. So first option is menstrual cycle occurs in human females. This is a right because we read that menstrual cycles occurs in all primate and all primate includes the human female, apes and monkeys. So this is the correct option. Okay. Second option is menstrual cycle occurs in primate female. Yes, this is also correct option because we read menstrual cycle occurs in primate females, all primate females. Okay. So this is also a correct option. Third option is menstrual cycle occurs in females of human, ape and monkeys. Also it is correct because in primate include the human female, ape and monkeys. Okay. So third option is also correct. Now move to the fourth option. The menstrual cycle occurs in all mammalian females. No, all mammalian females menstrual cycle does not occurs in all mammalian females because in mammals it includes also dog, cattle and other mammals in which menstrual cycle does not occur. So in dog, cattle occurs in estrous cycle. Okay. So estrous cycle we also I'm also going to explain you estrous cycles in next lecture. Okay. So menstrual cycle occurs only in primate mammals which include human females, ape and monkeys. That means our answer is here it asked find out incorrect statement. So this is the incorrect statement, that means our answer is fourth. Okay. Now move to the next question. Progesterone is active during, that means ki progesterone, when the progesterone hormone is secrete, we read that the progesterone is secrete during the when the corpus luteum is formed. That means after ovulation, when the Graafian follicle, after ovulation, when the Graafian follicle transforms into the corpus luteum. After ovulation, when the Graafian follicle transforms into corpus luteum. Okay, so that corpus luteum going to start the progesterone hormone, and this corpus luteum is formed during the luteal phase or secretory phase. That means ovulation occurs at the end of the proliferative phase. That means we have read that there is a three phases in the menstrual cycle. First phase is menstrual phase or bleeding phase. Second phase is a follicular phase or proliferative phase, and third phase is luteal phase or secretory phase. First phase menstrual bleeding phase, menstruation occurs. In follicular proliferative phase, ovarian follicles going to mature into Graafian follicle, and ovulation occurs at the end of the proliferative phase. In third phase, luteal phase, corpus luteum will be formed. This luteum terms is come because the corpus luteum is formed. Because of due to this luteum formation, this called is luteal phase. Okay. So in third phase, corpus luteum is formed. So it's going to start to secrete the progesterone for the final preparation of the endometrium. Okay. So let's move to the question. Progesterone is active during menstrual phase. During menstrual phase? No. This is the wrong answer. During follicular phase? No, because in follicular phase, Graafian follicle is formed which releases the estrogen hormone. Proliferative phase is also another name of follicular phase, so it is also a wrong answer. Secretory phase, yes, our answer is secretory phase, because secretory phase is a luteal phase in which the Graafian follicle transforms into the corpus luteum, which start to secrete the progesterone hormone. Okay, so our answer is fourth option. Now move to the second question. Which of the following is active during proliferative phase of menstrual cycle? Which of the following is active during proliferative phase of menstrual cycle? Active means, the term active means कि which hormone is secreted during proliferative phase. Proliferative phase means follicular phase. Follicular phase or proliferative phase, that means second phase of menstrual cycle. Okay. So which of the following is active, that means secreted during the second phase of menstrual cycle? Which hormone which can read that the in proliferative phase is secret? In proliferative phase, ovarian follicle is mature into Graafian follicle, which going to start secrete is estrogen hormone, which start to secrete estrogen hormone. Okay, that means Graafian follicle start to secrete estrogen hormone. So our answer is progesterone. No, progesterone is secreted during the luteal phase. This is not a right answer. This is wrong. SAG, no, SAG is secreted when placenta is formed. So it's also wrong. Estrogen hormone, yes, Graafian follicle is formed, which is start to secrete the estrogen hormone. So our answer is estrogen. This is the right answer. Another option is testosterone. No, testosterone, we not read anything about the testosterone. So this is also a wrong answer. That means our answer is estrogen. Now move to the next question. The follicle that rupture during at the time of ovulation promptly fills with blood forming. Question is the follicle, which that means कि which follicle that rupture, which follicle that rupture, the follicle इसमें, that means in the questions this asked there is a follicle which going to rupture, during at the time of ovulation. Ovulation is release of secondary oocyte. That means this follicle is ruptured and releases the secondary oocyte, and it also asked about this follicle which going to rupture. That means this follicle is ruptured during at the time of ovulation. At the time of ovulation, this follicle is ruptured and promptly fills with blood forming. That means when this follicle is ruptured, at once this follicle is filled with the cells and some amount of blood also. Okay, so after the rupture or release of secondary oocyte, we will read that this follicle is transformed into the corpus luteum. Who is this follicle? This is a Graafian follicle. This is a Graafian follicle which is filled with the blood, cells and secondary oocyte. When it going to rupture, it releases the secondary oocyte, and at the once it fills with the cells, and some amount of blood also. So Graafian follicle after rupturing is transformed into the corpus luteum. That means here it asked about the corpus luteum. Okay, so our answer is corpus luteum is the correct answer. Now move to the another option to prove our answer. Okay, second option is corpus albicans. No, we know that the degenerating corpus luteum is called the corpus albicans, and corpus luteum is not going to rupture again. Okay, that means in question it asks that follicle that rupture, corpus luteum is again not going to rupture, it degenerates to form the corpus albicans. So corpus albicans is not the right answer. Corpus callosum is another tissues which found in the brain. Okay, so corpus we do not read anything about the corpus callosum and also corpus hemorrhagicum. Okay, so our answer is first option. Okay, now next move to the second. Another question. Ovulation in the human females normally takes place during the menstrual cycle. That means here it given the some events in which we find the correct event in which the ovulation takes place. Okay, in question, in option it gives the some events in which we have to find the event in which the ovulation occurs. That means it asks the question, in question it asks that in which the event the ovulation is occurs. Ovulation in the human females normally takes place during the menstrual cycle. In which time the ovulation is occurs. So find out the correct option. Now, in first option it told that just before the end of the secretory phase. Just before the end of the secretory phase. Secretory phase means luteal phase. We know that the luteal phase and secretory phase is a third phase of menstrual cycle. In the end of the third phase of menstrual cycle, we know that the Graafian follicle in luteal phase, Graafian follicle is transformed into the corpus luteum. Graafian follicle is transformed into the corpus luteum. Graafian follicle is transformed into the corpus luteum, which start to secrete the progesterone. Okay, that means ovulation occurs. That means Graafian follicle when Graafian follicle ruptures to release the secondary oocyte. This process is called the ovulation. In luteal phase or secretory phase, it starts when the corpus luteum is formed. When corpus luteum is formed, then the secretory phase is started. That means this option is incorrect because it told that before the end of the secretory phase. This is the incorrect option. Second option, at the beginning of the proliferative phase. Proliferative phase means follicular phase. Proliferative or follicular phase. At the beginning of the follicular or proliferative phase, at the beginning of follicular or proliferative phase, what happens in the follicular proliferative phase? FSH start to release and it stimulates the ovarian follicle to going to mature into the Graafian follicle. Okay, and then Graafian follicle start to secrete the estrogen, which can cause the initial preparation of endometrium. So in the beginning the ovulation does not occur. In fact, in the end of the proliferative phase the ovulation will be happened. In the beginning the ovarian follicle is going to mature. Okay, and at the end of this phase, at the end of proliferative phase, Graafian follicle will be ruptured. Okay, when the estrogen hormones is reached in maximum amount, Graafian follicle is mature at the mid of the proliferative phase. Then it start to secrete the estrogen hormone. When estrogen hormone reached in maximum amount, it going to stimulate the pituitary gland for the release of luteinizing hormone. Then luteinizing hormone causes the rupturing of the Graafian follicle. That means at the end of the proliferative phase. So in second option it told the beginning of the proliferative phase. That means it also not our correct option. This is also a wrong option. Okay, first is wrong, second is wrong. Now move to the third phase. Third option. In third option it told it at the end of the proliferative phase. Yes, this is our correct option. At the end of proliferative phase, when the estrogen hormone reached in maximum amount, it stimulates the pituitary gland for the release of luteinizing hormone, which can cause the rupturing of the Graafian follicle and release of secondary oocyte. That is called the LH surge, luteinizing hormone surge. Okay, that means it is the correct option. Now also move to the fourth option. In the mid of secretory phase, no, this is totally wrong because in secretory phase not happen in that type of any event. Okay, ovulation, in fact ovulation does not happen at the beginning of the secretory phase. Yeah, you can told that the beginning of the secretory phase ovulation happen at the end of the proliferative phase or the beginning of secretory phase, but not the mid of the secretory phase. It is wrong. Okay, that means fourth option is also wrong. Our correct option is third option. So let's move to the another question. Progesterone is secreted when the Graafian follicle is transformed into the corpus luteum. That means after ovulation. After ovulation, graphene follicle, when graphene follicle is ruptured to release the secondary oocyte, this process is called the ovulation. And after ovulation, graphene follicle is transformed into the temporary endocrine gland, which is called the corpus luteum. Okay, and this corpus luteum is start to secrete the progesterone. That means corpus luteum is it is corpus luteum which is going to start to secrete the progesterone hormone. That means after ovulation. After ovulation, our answer. Okay, so first option before ovulation, no, wrong option. Second, after ovulation, yes. After parturition, parturition is another process. After it occurs after the pregnancy. I can teach in another lecture. Okay, so this is also a wrong option. At the time of parturition, no, this is also a wrong option. So our correct answer is after ovulation. Next, if mammalian ovum fails to get fertilized, that means if mammalian ovum means secondary oocyte. I can teach that after the ovulation means secondary oocyte reached into the fallopian tube, there is a two possibilities occur. First possibility when fertilization is occurs, and second possibility when fertilization does not occur. Okay, so here it gives the first possibility, that means if fertilization does not occur. That means when fertilization does not occur, which one of the following unlikely? Which one of the following unlikely? Unlikely means which does not happen. That means if mammalian ovum does not fertilize, then what event does not happen? Does not occurs. So when fertilization does not occurs, when fertilization does not occur, implantation does not occur. Okay, HCG will not secrete. That HCG not secrete, so HCG will not available to maintain the corpus luteum for the continuous secretion of progesterone. That means corpus luteum will not maintain, it is degenerate, and degeneration of corpus luteum lead to the decline secretion of progesterone. That means progesterone secretion will be decreases, and when progesterone secretion will be decreases, the endometrial tissues will be not maintained. That means when endometrial tissues will be not maintained, then it will be disintegrate and lost with the blood. Okay, and corpus luteum also secretes some amount of estrogen also. I can explain it, that corpus luteum also secretes some amount of estrogen also. When corpus luteum disintegrated, it also causes the decline of estrogen hormone also. That means progesterone hormone and estrogen hormone both are declined when the corpus luteum is disintegrated. Okay, so move to the options. Corpus luteum will disintegrate. In question it told that when fertilization does not occur, what will be not happen? In the following, which one of the following unlikely? Unlikely means what will be not happen? When fertilization does not occur, corpus luteum will disintegrate. Yes, corpus luteum disintegrate. This is happened. We have to find we have to find the option which will be not happened. Okay, so corpus luteum will disintegrate, it happened. This is not our answer. Estrogen secretes further decreases. Yes, because corpus luteum also secretes some amount of estrogen. When corpus luteum disintegrate, progesterone as well as estrogen also decline. Okay, so it also happened. It is also not our answer. Primary follicle start developing. Think about it. When estrogen hormone is decreases, progesterone level decreases, it going to trigger the pituitary gland for the release of FSH. Okay, but at once this not happen. That means if corpus luteum, if fertilization does not occur, corpus luteum is start to going to disintegrate, progesterone estrogen start to decline at once, but not primary follicle start developing. Okay, so when progesterone estrogen is decreases in maximum amount, is declined in maximum amount, then it's going to trigger the pituitary gland to release of FSH after some times. So at the once primary follicle is not start developing, that means it is wrong option. It not happened at once. When fertilization does not occur, it not happens at once. That means this is our answer. We have to find the event which will be not happen, and this is the event which will be not happen when fertilization is failed. Okay. Now fourth option is progesterone secretion rapidly decline. Yes, it also happened. It is also happened. So our answer is third answer. Next question, onset of menstruation is due to. Onset means starting, that means ki which event which is responsible for the menstruation phase, that means for the bleeding phase. Which event or which hormone rise or decline is responsible for the menstruation or bleeding phase. I can teach you in first lecture, that means menstruation or bleeding is occurs due to sudden decline in progesterone secretion. When corpus luteum disintegrate, progesterone will be disintegrate. When progesterone secretion will be declined, it does not maintain the endometrial tissues, that going to be disintegrated and will lost with the blood. That means it causes the menstruation, bleeding phase. So first option is increase in the level of progesterone. No. Fall in level of progesterone. Yes, this is our right option. Third is increase in level of FSH. No, because increase in level of FSH causes the maturation of Graafian follicle. Okay, so this is also wrong option. Lack of gonadotropin releasing hormone. No, when the gonadotropin releasing hormone is lack means absence. When the gonadotropin releasing hormone is absent, then it does not stimulate the pituitary gland for the release of FSH. Then ovarian follicle does not mature into Graafian follicle. Okay, so our answer is second answer. So here is another, I can give you the questions, you can try to solve it, and when you solve it, I can give you the right answer in comment box only. If you want to I explain these questions, then you ask me in the comment box, I can also explain it. So this question is for you, try to solve it, pause the video and try to solve the questions. Okay, thank you.